So, you're a chartered accountant. Your expertise is rock solid. But let's talk about the future. In a world where software is getting smarter and automating compliance, what's your real, irreplaceable value? Well, in this explainer, we're going to map out a clear path for you to go from being a compliance expert to becoming an absolutely indispensable business advisor.
This question, it's really at the heart of everything that's changing in the accounting world. I mean, you've put in all the hard work, you've cleared one of the toughest exams out there, but as technology starts doing the routine stuff, you've got to ask yourself, what is the one thing that only I can bring to the table in the years to come?
And here's the thing, this isn't some far-off prediction. The ground is shifting right now. All those core compliance tasks that used to be the bread and butter of accounting, they're now being handled by software, sometimes in just seconds. And these tools, they're not just getting smarter, they're getting smarter, faster every single day.
This slide just nails the change perfectly. It used to be about the what. File my returns, manage my compliance. But now it's all about the why and the how. Clients don't just want a number cruncher. They need a strategic partner who can answer the really tough questions. And funny enough, the answers are already sitting right there in the data you manage. Now, this massive change in what clients need, it's a huge opportunity. But let's be real, it also brings up a pretty big fear. It's this hesitation that holds a lot of really talented professionals back from stepping into this new role.
Does this sound familiar? Maybe you've had these thoughts running through your head. Oh man, do I need to learn to code now? Python? Artificial intelligence? Is all this just too technical for me? It's easy to look at the world of data analytics and feel like you've completely missed the boat. Okay, let me be as clear as I possibly can be about this. You do not need to become a data scientist. You don't need to go and master Python or R or any of that stuff. This is probably the single biggest myth holding CAs back, and we need to just bust it right now.
The most important thing to remember is that your existing expertise is actually your superpower here. You already speak the language of business. You get profit, loss, cash flow, balance sheets, all of it. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from a position of incredible strength that a data scientist would literally take years to build.
So what does this practical no-code pathway actually look like? Well, it starts with a tool you probably use every day, Excel. But we're going to use it differently, moving from just data entry to some really powerful analysis and cleaning. Next, you'll get good at visualization with easy-to-use tools like Power BI, turning boring spreadsheets into clear, interactive stories. Then you'll apply these new skills to real business problems. Think profitability or cash flow. And finally, the most critical step, you'll learn how to translate all those numbers into a simple story that helps your clients make smarter decisions.
All right, theory is great, but let's see how this actually works in the real world. Let's walk through a simple business case.
Okay, so imagine your client's business is bringing in about 50 lakh in revenue.
And their expenses are sitting at 42 lakh. So on the surface, everything looks fine, right? The business is making a profit, the reports are clean, all the compliance boxes are ticked.
Now, this is where the old way of doing things would stop. The job is done. But the new way of thinking asks a much deeper question. What's the real story this data is trying to tell us, beyond just the P&L statement?
And this is where it gets really powerful. When you dig just one level deeper, what do you find? Well, get this. 30% of their products are actually losing them money. Almost 3/4 of their entire profit is coming from just one single region, which is super risky. And there's a serious cash flow problem that's getting worse every month. Now, these are the insights that can save a business.
And this slide just lays out the difference perfectly. You have the compliance CA who prepares the reports and files the returns. Job done. But then you have the advisor CA. They take that same data, build a simple dashboard, and say, look, this right here is the problem, and then explain exactly what decisions need to be made. One provides data, the other provides clarity.
So you have to ask yourself, which of those two people is the client going to value more? Who becomes a true partner in their business? And maybe most importantly, whose job isn't going to be replaced by software in a few years? I think the answer is pretty obvious.
This is the professional transformation we're talking about. It's a shift from being a service provider who's focused on compliance to being a business advisor who's focused on insights. You go from just reporting on what happened in the past to actually helping shape the future. You become an invaluable, irreplaceable partner. We totally get that making this change by yourself can feel like a huge mountain to climb. Knowing what you need to do is one thing, but knowing how to do it is another. And that's exactly why we created the QriusAI Fellowship Program, to give you a structured, practical path to make this jump with total confidence. Our entire program is focused on practical, hands-on application. We're not just going to teach you about tools, we're going to teach you how to think with data. You'll work with real business data, build dashboards that actually solve problems, and practice the crucial skill of explaining what you've found to clients and managers in a way they can understand and act on.
This quote just sums it all up, doesn't it? The value isn't in making the report anymore. Software can do that. The real human value is in the interpretation, the explanation, and the strategic advice that you can give because of that report.
And I want to be crystal clear. This isn't some guess about the distant future. This shift is happening right now, today. The market is already paying more for professionals who can provide these deeper insights, while the purely compliance-focused work is, well, it's becoming a commodity.
So the only question left is for you. The path forward is clear, and it doesn't mean you have to become a coder. It means you have to use your greatest strength, your amazing domain knowledge, and just add some new skills to it. So will you adapt and lead this change, or will you risk getting left behind? The choice is yours.